Imam Ali, in the last moments of his life, informed his children about his will for his killer, Ibn Muljim. He said that when I die, you should strike only once to take revenge from him. It is narrated that after the martyrdom of Imam Ali, on the night of the 21st of Ramadan, Imam Hassan ordered this accursed person to be beheaded. Later, the daughter of Haytham Aswad Nakhai wanted his dead body to be handed over to her. She lit a fire and burned Ibn Muljim. The fate of Qutam, one of the most beautiful women of Kufa, and who was involved in the conspiracy of the martyrdom of Imam Ali, was as fearful as that of Ibn Muljim. After Ibn Muljim was sent to hell, a mob surrounded Qutam, killed her with their swords, and take the body out of Kufa and set it on fire. Where is the grave of Ibn Muljim? In order to find out the location of Ibn Muljim's grave, the well-known traveler Ibn Battuta traveled to Kufa and found a piece of extremely dark land in the enclosure of a white land west of the borders of Kufa. And what he found out after questioning the resident ancient people and after researching, that this place is the grave of Ibn Muljim, the killer of Imam Ali. The people of Kufa also said that every year during the middle of Ramadan, this place's darkness becomes worse until a fire breaks out automatically, which burns this place for 7 days. For more authentic Islamic videos, subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Like this video and leave a comment. Till the next video, Khuda Nigehdaar.